Yo, yo, yo. Hold on, guys. I'm just setting some stuff up. Yo! Coach Fred first. Amelia. Traded 007. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys. Christopher Campbell. His Royal Trades. CT Trading. Exclamation point Pine. Doing Moose Race at 8 o'clock. You must be here. Donna. Corey. Helena. And don't forget to smash the like button, please. Let the YouTube algorithms know what's up. I don't know. Did I? Mo in the house. Let's go. Thank you, Mo. Appreciate it, Mo. I did not yet, Donna. I'm expecting it by tomorrow. Thank you so much, Mo. Nice, 7. Yes, exclamation point Pine in the chat, and use code Pine on Buellanox and Apex. Appreciate it, guys. And Takeprofit Trader. And because you guys have been using my code Takeprofit Trader, I'm able to give away an account. So that's pretty awesome. Hopefully you guys can get those daily payouts as well. Daily payouts with Buellanox starting day 1? No. No, I wish. 7. It is... Yeah, you gotta trade them 10 days. But... So 40% consistency. So you're gonna stay under the 40% consistency with Buellanox. So your largest winning day can't be more than 40% of your total profits. What's my real name? Jason. It's zero day Jason. That's my real name. 0 day Jason. I've been doing way better overnight lately than during the open. I'm not trading much during the open, but when I do, I get stopped out or chopped. Yeah, so you like the slower markets, Christopher Campbell? Yeah.
Market is open.
Market is open, guys. Just woke me up. I think you did, Dawid. Honest take, man. Crushing it. $900 payout. I hit daily loss limit with my Top Step today. Again. Just cannot get... I don't have the patience with Top Step. I just know what it is. Buellnox, great day. My Fun and Futures, great day. Everything else, great day, but that Express account, meh, I just can't get it going. Nice work, Honest Take, man. That's awesome. Alfred in the house. And it would be 40% total, which would be 1640. Don't believe me, go read it yourself, but that's how I read it. Can't be more than 1,640 in one single day on Buellnox. Yeah. Right. So yeah, I mean 1,640 if you're going for the minimum profit of what, 3,600, right? So that would be under 40%, I believe. But we have people in the chat that have PhDs in math, so I'm not gonna pretend like I know how to do math. I don't think I got past my 7s in the multiplication table in like 5th grade. I think I stopped there. I stopped learning. That's when I started discovering girls and sports. Courses with trade day, huh? I didn't even know that. But yeah, as long as you stay under the consistency, and keep in mind, like in Buellnox, you have 10 days to trade it. You can flip it for 2 days. So basically you have 8 real days of trading, and then you flip for 2 days. So just keep that in mind. I can show you my stats on my Buellnox. I think I'm up. Oh, I can show you right here. So my largest winning day is 826. I am way under the 40%. So, and you can see it here. So I started last month in April. That was my largest winning day there. And then these are my days with the Buellnox. And so, and I've been waiting. I have put in for a payout. Sometimes, like, I don't know. I think it was Tuesday or whatever. No, last week. It's like Wednesday, I think. So I still traded it a little bit, but I want to thank Uncle Mo for the $150 in the super chat. So awesome. Really appreciate it. I want to thank you guys for using my code PINE with Take Profit Trader. So exclamation point PINE in the chat. We'll do a moose race here at the end of the stream. And the winner will get a 50K Take Profit Trader account. Just make sure you have a Take Profit Trader account already, because I'll need your Take Profit Trader email that you use. So Mo is the best therapist. Honest take. Mo is the best therapist. In the dashboard on Beelock, there is the con, and the account gives you a percentage number of green. Will be green or red as you go up. Oh, cool, Kenny. So on Beelock dashboard, there is the con in the account that gives you percentage number, and it'll be green or red as it goes up. Anna, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. Yeah, we'll do a moose race. Moose race at the end of the stream. Sugar Daddy Mo in the house. That's right. Keegan, what's happening? Mystic Rick. Hey, Anna. How's it going? All right, market's selling off a bit. Let's go back to here. Getting a big push down here. Is past evals account the same as instant funding account? Yeah. Yeah, Zoe. Instant funding just means if you pass an evaluation and then you go to what they call funding, then yeah, it's the same thing. Instant funding is you skip the evaluation process. One of the only instant fundings that I don't mind is the Tradeify 25K accounts. Instant funding. That's the only one I don't mind, but you're gonna save yourself a lot of money by just passing an evaluation. And if you can't pass an evaluation, chances are that you're gonna waste your money with a straight to funding account anyway, because you probably won't get to payout if you can't pass an evaluation. That's just my opinion. Yeah, they're kind of expensive for sure. RC, what's going on? I know a duck that would potentially win your moose race. No beer. It's a orange vanilla seltzer. Polar seltzer. Beers later. Whatever you do not trade your own money in a broker account, Honest Take says. All right, getting a nice push down here, market open. No gap. Possibly just taking back some of this late day pump. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Some of that market on close pump. Did we have any news that came out or anything? Or was there any earnings? Or I don't think so, right? There we go. Let's just push it down. Uh-oh, it's back. What did I do? Sports on. Something's wrong with your charge. You haven't made $1 million yet. Over time, man. Over time, you will. Over time, you will. Everyone has that potential to be $1 million trader. It's in you. Brian, what's going on? Oh, you pressed the wrong buttons back. Guys, smash the like button, man. Do that moose race here at 8 p.m. Eastern time, or close to, for 50K take profit trader. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. It's in you. You can do it. Not financial advice. Hey Butch. Oh, I did okay. I hit DLL on my Express account after I got off stream, like a bozo. I kind of got caught in the chop a little bit, and even though I got off stream, I said, you know what? I'm not liking this price action, and I think right around here, I ended up getting off stream. And then I ended up kind of getting chopped up in this. I finished up 672 in the 3 my funded future accounts. And like I finished up on these master accounts. So these master accounts are looking mighty fine. Oh, Donna, they just took out the money. Hey guys, Buellanox just took out the money for my payout. Let's go. Yeah, it's gone. The money is gone. See if it shows in the... No. It's showing performance though. So yeah, nice $1,500 payout from Buellanox. Got these accounts that are grinding higher as well. Up to about 2K. So what am I on? 1, 2, 3, like 4. So today would be day 5. So some more days to grind on those. But now I can copy trade all these accounts now. So that's what I'm going to do. And I have a 4th one I have not activated yet. I was waiting for my payout. So I'll probably activate that. Nice, Oscar. Thank you, guys. Yes, that is my very first Buellanox payout, guys. Buellanox was my kryptonite, and I said it a few months ago. I said I'm gonna get my money back from Buellanox. So I think another payout and I'll be net profitable with Buellanox. I think that's a pretty good chunk right there. Perfect time to full port. NQ reacting, CL reacting, Israel plans to attack Iranian nuclear facilities. Oh, it might be the news, made 12K over 2 weeks. They've changed to this 3 payout rule. Oh yeah, right. And then they switch it to live or something. 7. From what I hear, there is no limit. There is no limit. That's what I hear. I don't know for sure. But yeah, I heard there's no limit. You can just let it sit there. Only goes up, can't lose. Gold still wants higher. All right, Donna, congrats. Donna got 2 payouts from Buell Knox, guys. If you guys are interested in Buell Knox, still 91% off on the evals. And it's like $15.75 for the eval. So if you use code PINE, nice job, Donna. Investors, what's going on? Yes, you can trade them. If the money's out, that means you can trade them, in my opinion. Buell Knox Project X says you have a message. Would it be here on support? Or because this is where the messages usually are. That's not it. Why it does that? Right here, this ticket is usually where the messages are. That gold pushing higher. Oil's cranking. I never look at oil. It's just like I look at oil. Oh wow. Massive Harami candle on the oil. I'm on an eval, Bielanox eval, $15.75. I might actually try it for an oil trade here. We'll see. It is moving. I like gold too. A nasty NASDAQ. Big push down on the nasty NASDAQ. Starting to push back up though. Let's go, 8 p.m. We'll do the moose race. And guys, if you want to join the moose race, 50K take profit trade giveaway. Smash the like button and then type in !pine in the chat. And sign up for Take Profit Trader account too. Like, you don't have to buy an account or anything, just sign up. Like, make sure you have a Take Profit account, because when I email Take Profit Trader, I gotta have your email address for Take Profit Trader. Alex, you mistyped it. Let's thank Uncle Mo in the chat. $150 super chat. Let's give it up for Uncle Mo. Yeah, just type in !pine in the chat, 7. Like everyone else is doing right there. And you'll get a ticket. Yeah, you're good, Gary. Yep, you're good. Yep, 7, you're in. All right, NQ's pushing up. I need another chart over here. Man, it's so dark. I gotta turn some lights on. It is so gloomy and rainy. Trickster, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Okay, just bounce his head off the VWAP there. Taking to see how long. GLM, thank you for the sub. Tuan Vo, thank you for the sub. Whew, $10 a tick, huh? Let's go. Oil scares me too. Design, but we're on this Bielanox eval, so Let's see what happens.
With their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
MCL is the micro, yep.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Long in NASDAQ. Long in CL. Heck, I might as well just go long in gold too, right? Let's get the trifecta going. Short NASDAQ. Skog. Good luck, good luck. Sounds like Stock Tiger, for sure. Sometimes I watch Rufus the Bull video and think about Pine and his Meese and the Meese. MBT, don't forget about MBT. I like the gold there too.
Order filled.
See if we can get up above the VWAP.
Order filled.
So I got oil trades dragging me down a bit. It's okay. I'm not expecting my oil trade to be a win. I don't know what I'm doing on oil. We'll see. Alright, bouncing the head off the VWAP again. Really gonna bounce above that VWAP. Good luck, Skog. Skog's fading me. Who's fading me, bro? Skog is. I'd be short CL. I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, Tiger. I saw that, man. I mean, design. I saw Tiger. Yeah, that was tough. I mean, I've been there too. That Take Profit Trader account, the pro account. Yeah, that was rough.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Took off a few of the MNQ there. I don't know. See, now it's like I don't know why I'm trading CL. What am I trading CL for? It's not my instrument. It's that FOMO. I kind of like the gold long there too.
Order filled.
Oof. CL must have dropped. Yeah. Stopped out on the CL trade for 300. Still in the NASDAQ. I'd like to see it close above that VWAP though.
Order filled. Order filled.
Tiger was up a pretty large amount on a Take Profit Pro account and ended up getting stopped out. There's a pop.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Weren't for that stupid CL trade. John Rich, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. I know he was way over, yo Jim. Like he was over like I think he had like a $1,700 payout he could have locked in, a daily payout, and then he ended up taking a big L on the account, unfortunately. But I'm not 100% sure, but I can't say that I haven't done that myself, so it just sucks, man. It sucks bad. Mayor, what's going on? Nothing more painful than unpaying yourself. Yeah. Gotta pay yourself, guys. Yeah, he's kind of a scalper, yeah. K Snitty, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. Stock Tiger, yeah, D. Love Stock Tiger. The king of the Asia session.
Order filled.
I don't like how it's stalling right here. I'm gonna leave one micro on. Had a phenomenal New York session, up 1.7K. Nice, Mayor. What are you trading? Personal or prop or? All right, that CL trade totally screwed us for the night so far. That's what I get for not knowing what I'm doing at all. Waiting on this bullish candle here. I kind of bought the top there. Oh well. Here's what it is. Nice. Who you trading with, Mayor? If you don't mind. Long in gold paradigm. Nice. Hey, Tricky. You don't have to take profit account, so good luck to everyone. Oh, thanks, man. Or woman. I don't know. Thank you. I call everyone. I say man to everyone. No offense to anyone. I say to Amelia, I go, what's up, man? I do that to Amelia too, so. CL is oil. Oh, you missed Tiger last night? Yeah. I like Mayor myself. Take profit trader. I mean, not take profit trader. Sorry. Tradeify. They pay out super quick. No worries with them at all. If you want instant funding. Last time I got a payout with Tradeify, it was within like 2 minutes. And that's no joke. And it was a 25K straight to funding. Oh, you're on Apex? Nice. Just like my funded futures. Yes, exactly. KD Lay. Tradeify pays out that quick. They are as fast as my funded futures. From my experience. Yeah, Mayor, if you do and you want to help support my channel, you can use my link, my Tradeify link, and then use the default code SPRING and you'll get the discount. What is it, 35% off on all the accounts or something like that? I don't have a custom code with them because they won't give me one. I'm not part of the cool kids. 35% off all accounts. If you click my Tradeify link, my link, you can find it in my descriptions and stuff like that. And then use code SPRING. Appreciate the support. But yeah, if you got any questions, the only thing, Mayor, that I don't like about, or that you might want to be aware of with the straight to funding, is that it's a 20% consistency. So depending on your trading style, you might want to look on that. Look up that. If you're a scalper or something, it's totally fine. Or if you're just very consistent with your big wins, then you're totally fine. But for me, I don't really mind 20%, but been playing guitar so much my finger has a huge scab. Smokey, nice, man. That means you're doing something right. Oh yeah, you should be fine, Mayor. My largest single payout, like from a prop, was a 20% consistency account. So when I first learned acoustic, I played till my fingers were raw. Yeah, so a little trick is you can put glue on your fingertips, like super glue or something. So yeah, you put some super glue on your fingertips and it kind of helps. From what I hear, I've never done it, but Sean says, yeah, super glue, yeah. "25 years you've been playing, Trev? Wow. That's so awesome. I gotta start playing, guys. Again. I don't think I could find a C chord at this point. Yeah, I probably can. Kind of looks like we might be testing the open. Let's go. Kind of feels like it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm adding to this trade. We swept below that inside bar, and I'm looking for the push up above this inside bar, the opposite end. And hopefully we get a push to the open there, like Skog was saying, but I like how it just swept below, so and then kind of immediately bounced out the view up there and pushed up, so we'll see what happens. Look at 24.86, the equal highs. Oh, on the 30-minute? Tony Gold, what's up? Hey Sherry, prelim. Justin Morgan, thank you for the sub. I appreciate the support. Xanax Trader. What's going on? Xanax would be nice trading for trading. What's going on, Prelim? Good to see you, man. Prelim's one of my OGs. Rayu, what's going on? Ooh, Joe. When you think you're on a micro gold and put 5 contracts on 5 minis, I'm assuming, lose 2.5 in an instant drop. Yeah. I have definitely done stuff like that. Check out gold. Yeah, gold definitely is fading big time. I like the long here though. Come on, NASDAQ. So we took a pretty good NASDAQ trade if you guys are just tuning in, but our losses came from a CL trade, believe it or not, which I never trade CL. Now CL looks like a nice long here. So I go to the well one more time. Stop below there.
Order filled.
YOLO. We're on this Buellanox eval. Slinging some contracts. Give me my money back, CL. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm revenge trading the oil. Well, I have a feeling that NASDAQ's going to push down if CL pushes up. But maybe not. Don't forget to smash the like button and exclamation point pine in the chat. If you guys want to join the giveaway, we're gonna do a moose race here at the end of stream, and the winner will get a 50K Take Profit Trader account, but prefer that you actually have a Take Profit Trader account, just because I'll need your email, the Take Profit Trader email.
Order filled.
All right, we'll take that off there. CL. All right, NASDAQ, what can you do for me? So I got my CL money back. Or at least you have to be signed up for Take Profit Trader, I guess. I guess that's the way to say it. You don't actually have to have an account. You just have to have you have to be signed up with Take Profit Trader, an email. hopefully it all goes smooth because it's the first Take Profit Trader 50K or account giveaway I've ever done. So we'll do it at 8 at the 8 o'clock. So in about 1 hour, we'll do the giveaway. Yeah, Beelanox is Project X prelim. Yep. Yep, that's what we're on right here. Project X. Empowerment TV, thank you for the sub. Appreciate the support. Black YouTube makes me want to throw up. Maybe I'm just getting old. Yeah, I don't mind it, prelim. Yeah, I don't mind it. We actually just got a payout with Beelanox today, actually. All right, stopped out there. All right, so we had a losing trade with CL. We had a nice winning trade with NASDAQ. Then we just had a winning trade with CL, and then we just had a losing trade with NASDAQ. So we're now still down 123. Is it lagging? No, it's, I mean, if you're used to watching Tradeovate, you know, if you're used to watching the candles and stuff, it's, you know, it can be a little tricky, but yeah. Brian Carr, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. I have never used it on my phone, no. I know some people do. Project X apparently is mobile. Would it come down and kick me in the tick there? I feel like it came down and kicked me right in the tick. It sucks on mobile, honest take? Yeah. I wouldn't, I don't like Tradeovate either on mobile. I mean, I think most people use like Trading View and stuff on mobile, but yeah, I suck on the phone. We have Corey the phone trader. That's I think that's why he uses like Trading View or something like that. Honest Joe, LOL Joe made 700 on mobile. Nice, man. Eric Graham, thanks, man. Happy Tuesday. Dylan, you use TradingView on mobile? Nice. TradingView login. Yeah, that's what most people do. The laptop's way easier, yeah. My desktop is way easier. But it is nice with like Tradeovate, you know, I can just use my Chromebook. It's literally like a $150 Chromebook and works just fine. So if I'm traveling or anything like that, it's great. All right, kind of flagging here. It kicked us right in the tick on that stop out. It is a bit of a yeah, it's going sideways again, just like it did the other night. Let's take a look at oil. Ooh, nice little trade on oil we took there. Looks like we got out just in the nick of time before it flushed down. I had to take profit just above this candle's high here. End up flushing down here. Take a look at gold. What's gold doing?
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a stab long here in gold. For the stream. Nice push up. I'm seeing it like kind of like break this trend line here, and we're above the VWAP. So this is what I'm looking at on the gold. That's my reasoning. Plus we kind of broke this inside bar here. Kind of show you quicker on here. Kind of broke this inside bar. We're above the VWAP. And so yeah, that's what I'm looking at. We'll see what happens. Sis, thank you very much for the support. Yes, Sis, thank you for using code PINE, Apex, Buellanox, My Funded Futures, and Take Profit Trader. Because you guys have been using my code on Take Profit Trader, I'm able to give away a 50K account tonight. So I'll just use code PINE. We'll do a moose race, and we'll do more in the future. And I also want to thank Uncle Mo for the $150 super chat. It's gone away now, but let's give it up for Uncle Mo. Seven, I am all over the place tonight. We're not messing around. Yeah, I gotta turn on the Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? I think that was my best trade, was the oil trade so far. Oh, I kind of like the NASDAQ too. I kind of like this NASDAQ long.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Sorry guys, I'm missing some of the chat here, but yes sir, I had a reset 150K take profit trader 2 days. I had a reset 150K take profit trader today after I was up 5,530. Pissed me off. Oh man, Eric. Yeah, I've been there, man. Alfred, yeah, one of these is gonna pay. If I throw enough darts, one of them is gonna pay. But I like this bull flag break here. This flag break right here. I was gonna close out the gold position, and I was like, damn it. I was just gonna close it out. I was just like, just gonna focus on the NASDAQ. Damn it. Oh well. If it hits the stop loss, it hits the stop loss. Looks like it's going to. Hey Cube, what's going on? I had a butthole tightening syndrome earlier. I put 3 minis on instead of 3 micros. Got out break even, thankfully. Yeah, that's what someone else in the
Order
chat.
filled.
All right, we got stopped out on that gold trade. Gross. Yeah, Dawood, it is. Yeah, trading is my primary source, for sure. Yeah, we had someone else in the chat put on 5 minis on gold instead of 5 micros. That is, man. We are green today, Fish Lips. Yes, except my XFA. But yeah, green and everything else on the Beelanox and my funded futures. Copy trading on those accounts. But yeah, the XFA, man, I just... Oh, the gunship. I forgot to listen to that. Oh, I was just copy trading separately, like within the platforms. Yeah, Crypto King. But I mean, if you are copy trading, I think like Replicanto is a good one, and also Quantower. If you have their paid thing, you can copy trade across the props. But yeah, no, I was just like copy trading. Kind of like this. This is how I kind of copy trade. So I'll have like my funded futures, and then I'll have the master accounts or something pulled up. Things like that. Rip it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go. If it wasn't for that gold trade. Lee Watt in the house. What's going on? Looking for that 486, man. I'm not seeing the equal highs though. What am I not? What am I missing? Oh, okay, right there. I see him. I see him. It's not quite an equal high though. When you say equal highs, my brain goes exact equal highs. But maybe that's on MNQ. Maybe it's on NQ. Hold on. By ripping off that bull flag. Nice honest take. I wish I would have went in a little bit heavier, of course. But yeah, that gold trade, that $300 gold trade, just $300 loss on the gold got me. Gold's dumping now. Yeah, it is breaking lower, isn't it? Order filled. Sounds a part of the song, yeah. Yeah, I did a new playlist yesterday. little something different. So I got 3 playlists now I can kind of shuffle through. It has been, Sis. Like, I mean, during the Asia session, it definitely has been. I haven't been paying much attention to it during New York, but you got it back short and cold. Nice. Have you ever bought MNQ instantly down 50 points? Was it must have been the wrong contract? Lee Watt, was it the wrong contract? So was it like MNQM? Or was it the old contract? Because that will happen on the old, like, it shouldn't allow you to do it, but unfortunately, sometimes it allows you to do it. The 15-minute ORB, some people use it. Sports Dawn, some people do use it. I don't know. I think someone in the chat actually trades a 15-minute ORB or something at night. Sis uses it. Not sure. Which platform were you using? Lee. Oh, sorry. I missed your TBT on Quant Tower. That's so weird, man. That doesn't make any sense. I mean, I have lost some money before by accidentally going in on the wrong contract and actually instant blew the account. I think it was like a My Funded Futures or something. And it instantly blew. As soon as I clicked it. It was the old contract for NASDAQ, and I was in heavy. And I contacted My Funded Futures about it, and they told me to pound sand. They said, oh, you used the wrong contract. You need to be on the right contract. I was like, yeah, no kidding. I know that. But it was worth a shot. So we're right back to that 21,420. We were like stuck there today. I feel like that was like the point of control, I would say. That 21,420, like right around this area. Yeah, we were pretty much stuck there. Can I explain my... Sure, Sherry. Yeah. So basically, what I look for on an inside bar, I've been using a lot of discretion with the inside bar. I've been liking the Haramis better. But on the inside bar, you know, I'm just looking for momentum off the inside. So if we just take the break above or below the inside bar, and I usually place a stop above or below on the opposite end, and then I use discretion on the take profit. On a Harami candle, it's a little more defined for me. So like this purple Harami. So what I would have done is I would have taken the short here. So at 4:25 p.m. I would have taken the short 4:30. 50. I would have targeted the low of this mother candle here, so 419.50 or so, and my stop would have went just above that purple candle at 440. So I took the break here. I would have took the short here, targeted the low at this candle, and stopped goes here. Now, the inside bar, I tend to look for the first inside bar of the session. So that would be like this 955 bar. Technically the 930 candle was an inside bar, but I don't know if I would have taken that or not. Not really sure. But yeah, this candle here, I would have looked for like 30, 60 points or so off the break of it. But these are a little dangerous because the very first one is like, because your stop has to be really wide. And same with this one, that's a nice one. And then as it got a little choppier during the day, like it didn't pay as well, but they just present really clean entries. Really simple entries, not clean, just simple entries. And something that I've been looking at lately is like when you get a sweep, let's see if we can find one. So when you get a sweep of the inside bar and it immediately, so it just sweeps it and immediately pulls back. I've been looking for the opposite end of it. So if it say you get a break on this candle, say it breaks lower and doesn't even go like 4 or 5 points and immediately pushes right up, this is where discretion comes involved. Then I'm looking to take the opposite end trade. And usually it catches a bunch of like say shorts here and then it just rips right through it there. But that's just very discretionary. So yeah, I mean, if you got any more questions, just hit me up. $420 is a thing for sure, Sports Don. I don't know, I hope that helps, Cherry. First inside bar strat, I back tested like 30 point stop loss and a 60 point take profit. So check that out, back test it yourself or whatever, and that's during New York session. I might actually put an account to that test and then just forward test it again, but I got like months worth of back testing on that, and it is a profitable strat, but it only hits about 60 something percent of the time, but it's literally a setup if I get it. All right, let's check on our position here. How can I see all the orders coming in on the DOM? I actually don't pay attention to that at all. I've had the DOM pulled up on my chart since I started trading, and for me, it's just easier for me to place trades, move trades, be more accurate with like moving my stop and stuff. But yeah, I'm not watching orders at all on the DOM. I can get a good feel of the market though by watching the DOM sometimes, like on momentum, like if you really see it starting to flush down through the DOM, and that's just from watching lots of chart time, you know. Oh, I was wondering why it looked weird.
Order filled.
I'm gonna flatten right here. That was a pretty nice trade. I'm actually looking to take a short here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Tight stop. To me, this is a pretty cheap trade. But, not a very good risk to reward on the Harami. But could possibly take back some of this candle here. We'll see. Kind of flipped the switch on my trade here. This is what I'm looking at here. It's Harami, so we got a Harami break. So I see it. I'm gonna take it. Similar to like something like this. This is what I'm looking at. But we'll see. I mean, the market does seem like it wants to push higher, but
Order filled.
see a setup, you gotta take it. Findy, no! Exclamation point pine in the chat. We'll do the giveaway in about 45 minutes. TJP in the house. What's going on? Do I prefer take profit over top step? Just curious. Yeah, I think I like take profit trader. I like the daily payouts. They're my favorite prop firm. Take profit trader is. Top step's right up there. My funded futures. I'm liking Buellanox right now. I like Apex. I need to build up some more Apex accounts. I'm trying to get some payouts. My funded future payouts. I'm getting close to those. Top step's been my kryptonite lately. But yeah, I love take profit trader. I mean, once you get to start getting those daily payouts, man. Yeah, the world is yours. Yeah, I just got a payout today, actually. I just got approved on stream, actually. On this account? This account. Yeah, they just took the money out of this account right here, $1,500 bucks. So. Not exactly sure how the payout windows work. I think what you want to do is submit payout on a Friday, and then you'll get paid on like the Wednesday. I think that's the way it works, but because I did put it in like on like last Wednesday or something like that, so it took about a week. And everyone says, "Oh yeah, you want to like put it in on a Friday." I said, "Oh." But it's all good. We got that money. All right, we took the Harami short here. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with Apex. Says it's just that they have a little more rules they gotta pay attention to, like so that's why I've been liking Buellanox. Because you know what, Buellanox has rules with inconsistent sizing and things like that. But you know what, I traded 1 and 2 minis some days. I know my sizing wasn't consistent. But yeah, if you follow the Apex rules, there's nothing. They pay just fine. For sure. I've never been denied an Apex payout. I've never been denied any payout except fast track trading. But they denied everyone, so. They have a rule against inconsistent sizing, but they literally don't enforce it. But that's only on the funded accounts. On the evals, nah, man, I full send those evals sometimes. Sometimes I do 1, sometimes I do 20. With micros? Yeah, John's broken rules of Apex got paid for sure. They didn't deny, they closed before they could say no. Big difference? That's true. That is true, Alfred. Fast Track Trader. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys, if you want to join the giveaway. We'll do a moose race here for a 50K Takeprofit Trader account. It's free. There's no catch. All right, we're short off this Harami candle here. I'm looking to retrace some of this back, but it's not acting like it wants to right now. Hopefully it's not bull flagging again like it just did here. Bull flag, bull flag. Yeah, Tradeify, yeah. Yeah, InvestStars. I got 2 payouts with them last month. And they pay super quick, InvestStars, like my funded futures quick. So like within minutes. I'll say I send you feet pics if you buy 3 or more accounts, sis. I don't think anyone wants to see that. I don't think anyone wants to see that. Maybe. I mean, I still got to do that video for Mo on the trampoline, but I haven't done that yet. Mo's listening. Nice, you have 3 funded with them, copying with MFF. It's working out. Yeah, dude. InvestStars, if you get the payout on both of them at the same time, you're gonna get paid out in minutes. They pay out that quick. And now Tradeify has no payout windows, which is sweet. You used to have to wait, like, I don't even remember what it was, but the very first payout I got with Tradeify, for some reason it took a little bit. And then the next ones I got, like, literally were like within minutes. So I don't know if it had to do with something with the Rise accounts or what, but so you're saying we have a chance. Dennis, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. But yeah, if you guys want to join Tradeify, I don't have a custom code, so it sucks. But you just got to use my link. I don't even know if it's working. That's what sucks is, like, I know people sign up with my Tradeify account with my link and then the default code, and literally, yeah, you can see it right there. Tradeify, you can use my link and then use code SPRING, and that's how I get credit. And I need, once I reach $1,000 in sales, they'll give me a custom code supposedly, so, which will be sweet. Then you guys wouldn't have to use my link. You can just put in my code, Pine. Need to lower the cost, it's too expensive. Well, I like the growth accounts, they're not too bad. So that I think they're pretty comparable to what my funded futures. As far as cost, what does it come to? Like $95 all in or something? 97. Let me check. But yeah, definitely legit. Definitely pay. No problem. Straight to funding, kind of expensive, but the 25K account with 35% off. Is 226. I can't show you because it's got all my info on there. It's got all my address and stuff. And the growth account, which is the end of day account, is $90.35. So it's actually pretty comparable to the starter account, My Funded Future starter account. So it's $90.35 for a growth account, and there's no activation fee. So not too bad. Not too bad. Celebrity Terry Trades 100 in the house. What's going on, Terry? Trader Goated, that is a good point, man. My Funded Futures, a lot of people don't realize that. They give you that extra $500 on drawdown, and I'm telling you, that makes a big difference. It really does. The extra $500 is sweet. The Lanks be lanking, Alfred. The Lanks. That's all from 0 Day J. The Lanks. Just got a payout from Apex Willie C. 5 days after approval. Second payout with them. First was next day approval and payment. Let me read that one more time. Just got a payout from Apex. 5 days after approval. Second payout with them. First was next day approval and payment. Congratulations, Willie C. Guys, give it up for Willie C. Smash the confetti for Willie C. That's awesome, man. Congratulations. You need a Terry Trades autograph? Terry, they need your autograph. Yeah, guys, check out Terry in the morning. My Funded Futures TV. She is the new host. Of My Funded Futures TV. So congratulations, Terry, on that. Look at her already plugging My Funded Futures on here. Look at that. Such a company girl. Extra 500 does help, she says. That is true, though. The extra 500 is awesome. Yeah, Willie. My Funded Futures is one of the fastest payouts in the game, if not the fastest. We did it. We did it online, kind of like some other streamers have done too. Once we got a My Funded Future payout, and then we put a stopwatch up here, and we had a little payout party. And God, it was fast. I didn't even think I could get the stopwatch up. It was already paid. I don't really like how this put in another. Wow, this is kind of. Been trading NASDAQ pretty well tonight. Traded CL. That was a pretty good trade. The gold trade is what got us. Negative 300 on the gold. Maybe even more. It is looking flip-floppy, isn't it, JP? It's got my indicators flipping and flopping. So this is kind of like a Harami as well. It didn't show up on the indicator, but kind of technically it is. So I don't know. We're just gonna hold it. See what happens. Make them do fair giveaways, Terry. The system is awful. Just everyone gets angry and just stops watching. Oh, with the 50. The 50, only 50 people get the resets, yeah. Cube, yeah, I don't know if she saw it, the question, Cube, but she is the regular host on My Fun and Futures TV now. She's the actual host. Hey, John King, thank you so much. Just bought a new 50K Apex using my code PINE. Appreciate the support, guys. And that's why we're able to do this giveaway tonight, because you guys have been using my code PINE. I appreciate it. She's the Ron Burgundy of My Funded Futures. That's right. That's funny, yo, Jim. That's such a good movie. I gotta watch that again. 3,600 says, yep, 3,600. In order to get paid by Buellanox, you gotta get funded, then make $3,600. You can take out $1,000. But if you make anything over the 2,600, 3,600, I mean, sorry, then you can add to that $1,000. So, and a max payout of $1,500. And you have to trade for 10 days, but you can flip for 2. So you can flip for 2. So for instance, I got this account up to $4,359, and then I took out $1,500, and now I still have $2,859 of drawdown left. Well, actually, $52,759 of drawdown left, because for some reason they have to have that extra $100. You know, they don't give you, so. So this account's still sitting pretty good. So it still leaves you with a pretty nice buffer if you end up getting it up there. Yeah, Terry, they took out the money. Buellanox took out the money tonight. Actually, on stream they took it out. So. Getting that Buellanox money now. Alright, we're gonna trade here, believe it or not. Still kind of fading down. I feel like moving my take profit and like lower, and then just trailing my stop. Yeah, and Uncle Mo blessed us with a $150 super chat. So give it up for Uncle Mo. Mo Lester in the house. So you're trying to hit like 500 a day, it looks like. Yeah, I kind of been doing that lately. With these accounts, I kind of been like just, if I hit a nice winning day, I can even show you one of my other accounts here. Doesn't show you the average winning day, but yeah, this is what I'm kind of doing right here. 3 trades, 5 trades, 5 trades, 8 trades. Yeah, just kind of doing that. 3, 500, 600, whatever. On that account that I get a payout on, yeah, 500, 826 is my largest day, but they have 5, 4, 6, 4, 5, 200. And then I kind of like I flipped. See, I flipped these 2 days here. Lost $5 on the trade. So I flipped those 2 trades. And then I went to flip this trade here, but I placed a really tight stop. And it actually went my way. So I made another $100 there. And then today I ended up, because I was afraid that I wasn't going to get that payout. And Bullanox does have a 5-day inactivity rule. So if you don't trade them for 5 days, then they can get rid of your accounts. So I ended up just trading this account a little bit, just really tightly, super tight. That's what she said. Oh, what happened? We gotta take profit. Nice. So we gotta take profit on that. Kind of wish I was still in it though. I got a little distracted. I didn't do what I was thinking. I was gonna move my take profit and then move my stop loss. Kind of trail it, but it's alright. So we're still down in this account, 193. What do I mean, like on purpose, or just had a red day? No, I flipped it, so... So, like, flipping an account is just, like, going in and out. So what I do is with a 1 micro, and then I have a little setting here called flip. And you can see, like, this is a flip. So I just do that.
Working.
So it comes in, fills me, and then immediately stops me out. I do it with 1 micro, and that just means that it's a I place it. It's a trading day. It counts as a trading day if you just flip. Let's go. Nice. Yeah, you can do ATM strategies, sort of. The way you do it with Project X is, so you have your risk and profit brackets right here. You can't get too complicated with it though, that's the problem. So it's just a risk, profit, kind of like what I have here. So I have a 300, 300. The nice thing is that it's easy to scale in and out with the bracket, because you can automatically apply risk profit bracket to new positions. You can click this off too, but I like having this on because it makes it easier to scale in and out. But yeah, we're gonna do the giveaway here in about 10 minutes or so. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We'll do a 50K giveaway. Well, Seven, you're just gonna have to come back, man. I know he's the king of the Asia markets, but
I think the girls with their nails done now.
action movie. Stock Tigers is a comedy movie. Yeah, he does crack me up. Smash the like button too, guys, if you guys don't mind. We're gonna do a 50K Takeprofit Trader account giveaway. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. You blew 6 accounts, copy trading says, yeah. That's the problem with copy trading, man. It really is. So, like, I copy trade within the firms. But I don't copy trade them across all the accounts. Like, all the different firms together. Like some people do. Thank you, Sis. Make. Thank you for the... I probably just botched your name. Thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Order filled the movie. Hi, Nico. Thank you. Yes, exclamation point Pine in the chat. Let's do it, guys. Oh, jeez, Carrie. I have never been funded yet to be expected. I have blown 9 accounts altogether and now on my next 3. So if I blow these, that would make 12. Yes, so, I mean, not financial advice, but yeah, you definitely want to stick with the cheaper evaluations if you're struggling passing in the evaluation. I'm sure you are, but yeah, back when I first started an evaluation with like Top Step, it was a lot of money. What is the name of the indicator? It is LDT, inside outside bars. That's how I have it set for myself. And one of our subscribers, Ed of the Woods Harami, so EOTW Harami. And that's that. And that's the purple candles. First 3 I bought were 100 a piece, so mad. Yeah. Yeah, it used to be, like, Top Step used to be, like, what was it, 350 or 400 bucks? Like, it was so expensive for a 150K account. So we'll do the giveaway here in about 10 minutes. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Please have a Takeprofit Trader email. Order filled, order filled, order filled. Yeah, they were 300 bucks for step 1. There was 2 steps with Top Step, if you guys remember. So this is back in June 21st, 2021. My very first eval, 300 bucks, top step, 150K, step one. Then you get to reset it for $50, and then for the first time, and then it was $100 for reset after that. Ooh, I paid 300, and then step two was $375. So there was 2 steps. Crazy. And then you could reset those for $99. This is why Michael Patak has a mansion in the Colorado mountains, in case anyone wants to know. But yeah, those are good times. Yeah, you just gotta you have to have a Erod. You gotta have a Takeprofit trader. You gotta be signed up under their account, because I'm gonna give you an eval. What I have to do is I have to send Takeprofit trader your email that's associated, that's linked to your Takeprofit trader account, and then they'll send you the credit for the 50K. So. Yep. So just be signed up with Takeprofit Trader. It's all good. Yeah, TJP. Yeah, thank you. You have to create a TPT account. Just make a login. Yes, thank you. And I hope whoever gets it makes it to payout, man. You never mess with Top Step until they changed to one step, one rule format. Yeah, the 2 steps, man, it sucked. So you had to make $18,000, I think. No, $8,000. Right? Yeah, $9,000. Sorry, $4,500 twice. $9,000. Yeah, it was crazy. Oh, I gotta get the moose race fired up here. I gotta get ready for the moose race. We got the moose race coming. Okay, we got 96 tickets in the moose race so far. Pretty awesome. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We'll do it in 5 minutes. So 5 minutes. Really quick. Willie C just requested $2,500 payout with Top Step a few minutes ago. Second payout with them. Nice, Willie C. You're crushing it, bro. Oh, Erod, you're still good. You still enter. As long as you have a login, that's a good way to put it. Thank you, whoever said that. As long as you have a login email with Takeprofit Trader, then you're good. You don't actually have to have a like ongoing account. So as long as you have a login. So !Pine in the chat. I got to a payout with 50k Takeprofit Trader I got from Jay. Lost it right after the payout though. Yeah. Nice, man. Yeah, I hope whoever wins takes some daily Takeprofit Trader payout, man. Have you ever tackled a 150k? Yes. Some of my first payouts were 150k Apex accounts. Those were sweet. Those old rules, those old... What the hell was the payout? It was like 3,500 or something like that? Or 3,000 something? I don't know. Nice little flag again. So putting in this very similar pattern. So flag, break, flag, break. This could be a nice long entry here, but we're gonna do the moose race here. John Carter's in the house. The 350 did not work, John Carter. Today. It was a little tricky. It was a little tricky. And then, yeah, mine did not. And then I ended up blowing the account, so I couldn't review it after. But it was an eval. So I gotta get another account and just stay disciplined with it. Yeah, I think my entry was off though. Like, cause on the short side it happened so quick. I think my entry was off, so I don't actually think I got the full 12 ticks. So I came back and took my yeah, it came back and took my stop loss. Five points, yo, Jim. With a runner. So yeah, we'll do the moose race here in just 2 minutes here. We'll do it at 7:55. Oh yeah, maybe that was it, John. I don't know. It happened so fast that, and then I just like full ported and blew the account, so I couldn't review it. You need a good moose. So you guys got 1 minute, !Pine in the chat. Am I playing poker tonight? I don't think so. I'm gonna head up to... My stepmother said she made some dinner. Said she's been slaving all day making dinner, so... I'm gonna head over to the old man's and eat dinner, I guess. Beat up my little brother and sister. Hot dogs don't take all day. That's true. That is true. All right, guys, you got it in, !Pine. All right. We got 101 users. All right, let me just get the names set up. Copy. Oh, we just had a sub. Betos. 2012. Thank you for the sub. Appreciate that. Oh, hold on. Just messed that up. Gotta get Enrique in there. Where did it go? Alright. Oh, Betos, I'll let you in. Hold on. I'll let you in. Alright, Betos. Do it one more time. You just subbed. I'll be nice, sis. I'll be nice. Do it one more time. Exclamation point pine, Betos. Betos. Alright, I don't know. Alright, there he goes. Alright. That's it. That's it. Alright, let's do the moose race. I gotta put his name in here. Clear, 1 minute. Set. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Look at all that meat, Sean says. There you are, Nico coming up from the outside here. That would be a nightmare to see that in person. You better just... I don't even know what to do. Those things will run over a pine tree. I mean, I've seen them come through the woods really fast, so. Eric Graham. Oh, design knob. Design knob. Eric Graham was so close. Design knob. Congratulations. OG. All right, shut off that music. Congratulations, design knob. Yeah, is he hanging with other streamers? Thank you for the subs, C. Mark Hammond. Is design knob not here? Yeah, see the pine trees in the background? That is true. Call Wendy's. I can't believe Design Knobs. He's probably in Stock Tiger's stream. Can't believe he's not here. He's an OG. He's always here. Alright, I'm gonna place. Let's see. I think what we'll do is run it back. He was using alt account anyway. That's true. He's in Stock Tiger's chat. See, he's hanging out with other streamers. Other streamers. Alright, I'll give him to 805. Or run it back. Because he's probably over in Stock Tiger's chat, so. What's the market doing now? Wow. Look at that flag break, flag break. Nice. So up 150 across the My Funded Future funded accounts. Nice start to the day. Down 193 on this eval. Thanks to my gold trade. All right, you got 2 minutes, or we're gonna run it again. I did say you have to be here. That's right. I did say you have to be here. Alright, it's 8:04. I see people talking to him in Stock Tiger's chat, so he's probably eating dinner. He's always in here. Yeah, moose do. Yeah, that's a big business up here, yo, Jim, up north. Yeah, finding moose antlers. Big business. Knob down. Alright, we're gonna run it again. 8:05, here we go. Yeah, if he wins again, then you know it's rigged. Here we go, Sizz. Coming up from the outside here. Who's it gonna be? Oh, this is close. Oh, Donna! Oh, I hope she's here. She's an OG too. Come on, Donna. She just got a payout today, too. She's probably out spending her payout. All right, Donna's here. Awesome. Let's see. Donna, are you on Discord by chance? No, we'll just do it through email. What's your Discord name, Donna? I'll just send you a message in Discord. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out tonight. Donna, I'll message you on the Discord right now, and we'll get that straightened out. And I appreciate you guys. Congratulations, Donna. And this was made possible because you guys are using my code PINE for Apex, Buellanox, Takeprofit Trader, My Funded Futures. I really appreciate the support, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe. And yeah, awesome stream, guys. Smash the like button on your way out. So take care, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.